So today we're gonna make kimbap with Lisa at the lake house, which is located in Chuncheon, South Korea. So these are the ingredients to make some kimbap: fish cake, imitation crab, seaweed paper, pickled radish. And then right now she is washing some chives. And then she's gonna steam it. You can replace this with cucumbers,
Cucumber or spinach or lettuce.
lettuce. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Spinach better.
But no green onions because the green onion taste is too strong.
Yes, too strong.
Okay. Do you cook a lot?
Every day? Sometimes.
That's good. I like cooking once in a while.
It's important material
Yes.
for kimbap, for the
Yes.
kimbap.
Very important.
Carrot is very healthy food and beautiful color.
Yes, it makes the kimbap pop out. When you slice it, you can see the colors.
A little bit. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay, so the water is steaming.
And
A
salt.
little bit of salt.
A little
Okay.
bit salt. I think 40 seconds.
40 seconds? Okay. Okay.
And cold wash it.
Okay.
And remove.
Squeeze. Oh, okay. Oh, everything out.
You can remove water.
Okay.
여기요.
And here? Okay.
네. 제가 저는
Oh, okay.
sesame oil.
One
half
teaspoon.
teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
And
Push it together here.
not strong.
Lightly.
Soft. Very, very soft.
Sesame seed.
예. Sesame seed. rosemary. Look here.
Pickle.
And microwave. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. Happy?
Beautiful.
Perfect.
3-piece fish cake.
Okay. I'll roll it like that.
Yeah, rolling.
Slice it. Okay.
Very thin. Okay. 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon.
Fry everything.
No salt.
No salt for that
Yes,
one.
only
It's very
fry.
salty, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only fry. You can check it's soft.
Medium heat.
Medium heat. And
Fish cake. A little bit.
soy sauce. A little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay. No salt
Half
then.
teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Okay.
And little bit sugar.
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 Sugar. A little bit sugar.
Half cut and
Or cut in half.
dry. Material finish. Big, small, but
So the wider this way.
white. Yeah. Cooking studio.
Lisa helped prepare this table to make kimbap today for lunch. I'm excited. Yay! So the preparation took about maybe 15 minutes to prepare.
Yeah, very easy.
Yeah.
1 rack rice.
We'll make one. Okay. About this.
And soft white.
Press down.
Carrot.
About that much.
2 finger carrot.
In the middle or lower, a little bit lower.
Yeah, How many are up to you?
Okay,
Okay?
I'll put the same amount.
Yeah.
I want mine to taste just like yours.
Look at this.
Okay, so on top like that.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. It's pretty already. Fish cake.
Fish cake.
What do you call this in Korean? Fish cake.
Odeng.
Odeng.
Omuk.
Omuk.
Omuk. Odeng is Japanese.
You know Japanese too? Very impressive.
And crepe. Okay. Looks good.
Like that? Oh, and then keep it together like that?
Strong, but strong.
I see.
Okay. It's called danmoji.
Damoji.
Pickle radish. Eggs.
Eggs? Okay. I love eggs.
From many eggs.
Yes. Oh yes, I love a lot of eggs. So I could put a lot, right?
Here, look at this. Middle.
In the middle.
Middle.
Right here.
And
Squeeze like this.
rolling.
And roll.
Soft, but strong.
Like this. I think I did it. Wow. Okay.
Gentle for form.
Ah, look at that. It's not
One
as
more
pretty
each
as
other.
yours. Just enough for one more. I think I did it. Wow.
Looks nice.
It is. Look at that.
It's a Kimbap restaurant.
One more. Okay.
You can make.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All this one.
All that goes in there.
that.
Okay.
I believe you.
You believe in me?
Yes.
Cut me oil.
Sesame oil. Look at this. How about this?
You can see every little ingredient.
You are the best of best in America. Kimbap maker, I think. Very easy.
Yeah, very easy, and I know it's gonna taste delicious.
Yeah. My style.
Yes.
Very easy.
Very good. So good. Yay. Lisa, say it again. Window were clean.
Mundo.
Yeah, just a little bit. It's okay. We are ready to eat. Happy, are you okay?
And it's okay.
It's
very-
this is the best kimbap.
Really?
It's her style.
It's like a healthy kimbap. No beef. Just
That's perfect.
Just vegetable.
We will definitely make this at home.
And
The seaweed.
pickle radish. If we want every kimbap.
Okay, so those are the three main things. And then everything else.
Cucumber or
Cucumber.
avocado. Yeah.
If I have a question, Lisa, what is can you help me? That was fun.